Hi, hello, hey, hi, hello. We're Man Repeller, and we wear clothes. But where do we find the best clothes? Where we find everything else that's good. On Amazon. The Man Repeller Rules of Style, brought to you by Amazon Fashion. Rule number 1, when dressing for a dinner, always be sure to wear more flair than the table has silverware. The shirt's your tablecloth, so keep it clean. Accessories need a backdrop. Rule number 2, it's not a party without a festive top. Rule number 3, wild tops call for tame pants. It's wild enough out there as is. It's always Cool Pants Friday in our book. Go big or go home, we like to say. But rule number 4, wear flats. Rule number 5, you know what really makes an outfit feel like home? Heels. You may have noticed something weird about the rules. We broke them all. That's because there are no rules. It's in your hands, so go forth now. Write your own. Rules, that is.
Fashion, 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 fashion.